Hello everyone, today we are going to learn trigonometry rapid revision part 1. We are going to learn all the formulas, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, all your doubts will be cleared, so don't worry. So today we are going to learn all the formulas, okay? So this is called chapter trigonometry rapid revision formulas. All these formulas are written. Today we are going to learn how to determine hypotenuse, okay? Most simple thing, how to determine hypotenuse. Now simply listen, okay? Now look, for determining a hypotenuse, you cannot just say by looking at this figure that AC is our hypotenuse. You have to follow a little bit steps. If I will tell you the hypotenuse will be what, you will tell this side, okay? You may get confused. So why it is like that? Because the side in front of the 90 degree, okay, the side in front of the 90 degree is called our hypotenuse, okay? So if I tell you this figure, the side in front of the 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So this is called the hypotenuse. Here what, side in front of 90 degrees, this is called the hypotenuse, okay? So we can determine hypotenuse in many ways, okay? If I will tell in this such way, okay, so here is the hypotenuse, here is the hypotenuse. Sometimes it can be also this way. So why is that? Because the side which is just in front of the 90 degree, that is called a hypotenuse. Simple, okay? However, perpendicular and base can differ on many things, okay? Perpendicular and base, like how? For example, if I take this triangle, okay, if I take this simple triangle on a big scale, okay, let's magnify this triangle, okay, let's magnify this triangle here, okay. Now in this triangle, triangle, what can you find? If I take this angle, now this is called ABC triangle, okay. Now if I take this angle C, okay, now it can differ on many things, okay. So always remember hypotenuse is fixed for any angle you take. If you take angle A, this will be only hypotenuse. If you will take this angle, this one will be also hypotenuse. Hypotenuse does not change, okay, it is fixed. If you take angle C, I told you we can determine perpendicular and base based on the sides given, okay. So here if I take angle C, then this is our hypotenuse. If I take angle A in the perspective of angle A, then AC is our hypotenuse, so no doubt, okay. But if we talk about angle C, okay, the side just in front of angle C, that is called perpendicular, simple, and the rest side is base, simple. This is how we determine. If we talk about angle C, okay, angle C is where here, okay. So if we talk about the side just in front of angle C, that is called AB is our perpendicular and BC is our base, because it is left, okay, whatever is left is called base. So whenever you find a triangle, simple, what you have to do, SC, the side just in front of 90 degrees, hypotenuse very easy, fixed for any angle, okay. If I talk about C, now there is some questions I will show you next video, okay, but this is called rapid revision. So what here happens, that if you talk about angle C, that this is the perpendicular. Why? Because this is just in front of the angle C. Now if I talk about angle A, now listen, look, angle C, if I talk about angle C perspective, what here, AC is our hypotenuse, okay, here BC is our base, okay, BC is our base, and AB is our perpendicular. I have written it over here, okay. This is angle C, okay, simple, keep in your mind. Chalo. Now in angle A, what? In angle A you will hear many things, okay. AC is fixed, okay, AC is also for angle A, it is fixed. But here, what side is in front of the angle? Now here the side BC is in front of the angle. So the side in front of angle A, this is now going to be the perpendicular for angle A, and this is going to be the left side will be what? This left side will be base for angle A, okay. No need to get confused. The angle is over here. Whatever is in front of the angle is perpendicular. Blindly just put perpendicular. Whatever is in front of the angle taken in respective, okay. So now they may ask you sine A. We are going to learn about that. So if they ask you sine A, then what will you take? You will take P by sine A, P by H, na, perpendicular by height. So hypotenuse, perpendicular by hypotenuse is fixed, but perpendicular will be this perpendicular, not this perpendicular, because why? We have taken in respective of A, okay, simple. Now one more question arises, what is theta? Theta is an angle, okay. So it is just a name of an angle, okay, like Sonu, Monu, Chintu, like this, there is any angle, okay. For example, this is angle theta, okay, this name only, okay. This is sine A. A is an angle name, okay. Similarly, theta is an angle name, okay. So similarly, you got to know that if you talk about angle A, what happens, that this is our base, this is our perpendicular and this is our base, okay. Hypotenuse is fixed, okay. Now let's talk about the next, okay. Now let us talk about all of these formulas, what these formulas mean, why they are important, they are going to come in your exam, okay. Based on the questions that we are going to do tomorrow, okay. So like that questions may come. Now what is sine theta? Look, sine theta is the most important thing, perpendicular by height, okay. Now let us just take a simple figure, okay, no need to get confused. We are taking on respect of angle C, okay. So when they have showed like this theta, this is theta, this is theta, so we are taking on respect of angle C. So this is our perpendicular, this is our base, this is our hypotenuse. just the side in front of the angle will be our perpendicular. You will be cleared with this when you practice more and more questions. Okay, so now what is sine theta? Sine theta is p by h. Okay, is perpendicular by height. Okay, now what happens in this perpendicular by height? If you see perpendicular by height means this is the perpendicular, this is our hypotenuse, not height, sorry, hypotenuse. Okay, so AC is our hypotenuse, so I can write sine theta in according to this figure. What can I write? Sine theta is equal to what? Sine theta is equal to AB by AC. Okay, AB by AC, because what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Simple. Okay, now if you talk about cos theta, now I will tell you the tricks. Okay, very easy trick. Okay, that to remember all these formulas, it may be it may come. Okay, in next video we are going to learn 60, 30, 45 degree. 6 is cos 45 by theta is equal to 45 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 0 degree, 90 degree. We are all going to talk in next video. Okay, now what happens? Cos theta is equal to base by height, base by hypotenuse, base by hypotenuse. So here cos theta will be what? Here cos theta will be what? Base by hypotenuse, मतलब BC by AC. Simple. Okay, like this. Tan theta is equal to P by B. P by B is what? Now look, sin theta by cos theta. Wait, I'll just explain it. Tan theta is equal to P by B. Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base. So this one will be what? AB by BC. Okay, simple. So perpendicular by base. Now if you see tan theta can be also represented as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta you will know. Okay. Why, you may ask me now. Look, if I erase all these things and explain you. Okay, very easily. Just remember one thing. Sin theta is what? Perpendicular by height. Now look, sin theta by cos theta. Okay, sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta is how much? P by h. Sin theta is P by h. Cos theta is P by h. Okay, so if you see h got cancelled or no? Now look, if you will take the same thing to the up, if you take the same thing to the upward, h will cancel. So this will be what? Equal to what? P by b, and P by b is what? P by b is tan theta. Okay, so tan theta we have got over here. Okay, so tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base, which is equal to sin theta by cos theta. This will make it use in every question. Okay, so for example, you want to do something, you can just convert tan theta in the terms of sin theta by cos theta and solve the problem, like proofing very easily. Okay, now here cosec theta. Now remember, this cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Okay, means it is just the reciprocal. Okay, if I say sin theta is equal to मान लो sin theta is equal to 4 by 5. Okay, so if I take sin theta equal to 4 by 5, then cosec theta will be equal to what? 5 by 4. Simple, just the opposite. Okay, reciprocal. Okay, cos theta if I take is equal to b by h. Okay, if you talk now, if I take this 5, okay, if I take this 4, if I take this 3 centimeter, just for like example. Okay, now if I take sec theta, okay, now cos theta is equal to b by h, b by h. Okay, base by hypotenuse, so 3 by 5. Okay, so cos theta is equal to what? 3 by 5. Here it is just the reciprocal. Sec theta is just the reciprocal, means ulta. Okay, this is equal to 5 by 3. Okay, 5 by 3. And write it. So just the reciprocal. Similarly, tan theta, if I take P by B, so 4 by 3, this will be equal to 3 by 4. Just the reciprocal. Okay, so always remember cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta, sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Now one more important thing you have to remember, cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. Simple. Okay, let's remove all this. Why it is? Now look, same thing you can do with the proofing. You can take this as your homework. Similarly, cos theta you can put b by h by p by h cancel, p by b. So you can see b by p. Okay, b by p will get. Okay, when you divide them, because this will go up na. So like this you can do it, because it's cos theta by sin theta, not sin theta by cos theta. Okay, so cos theta by sin theta you can prove like this, and this will be equal to what? Here I have not written na. Here this will be equal to b by p. Okay, base by perpendicular. So this will be in use everywhere. So this was one of the best, I guess, one of the most rapid revision of Formula 1, where we learned about sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, cot theta. Now look, whenever you are getting confused, okay, in the exam, how to remember this formula, this is very hard. Just remember one thing. Wait, this is a trick. Okay, पापा बीड़ी पियोगे? हाँ बेटा. Okay, you can write this on the side and remember all your formulas. So P by H is sin theta, B by H is cos theta, P by B is tan theta, and their reciprocals is cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Okay, so similarly, पापा बीड़ी पियोगे? हाँ बेटा. You can use this trick. Top your exams. Thank you. Till then, bye. See you in the next video. Bye.